Been browsing estatesales.net and I came across this a few days ago. The sale starts today, and it's nearby, so I think we should go check it out. Well, here's the Lakewood box fan. He said it was like $2. I think this is tan and not white. It's older than 1990s. That's pretty good. Lakewood 3-speed. Typical handle being a little bit scratched up, banged up rather. It's pretty yellowed. One of the slats are missing right there. So the guy at the checkout, I asked him how much it is, and he said like $2. It's got a nice soft cord. Another slat missing on the back. That guard right there is less bent. Oh, there's half a slat right there. Yeah, I could tell it's tan and not white. Which is cool. I thought it was a 90s model. Like my childhood box fan. I remember at the house before the last house, a 90s Lakewood box fan like this, but white. I asked my mother about it one day. The subject came up, and she said they never bought box fans, so it must have been my grandmother's, because she's the quote-unquote box fan person. She probably had one of these, as in my memory. It's one of my earliest memories ever. It was like 1 year old or less. It's near the kitchen table. It's under the kitchen table. I guess I was looking at it from the front, because the knob was on the left in my memory. Oh, it doesn't have the... Oh, it's got a hole for the zoom spout, where you can put the zoom spout in there to get your oil in there if you can't get the blade off, like I can't with the other one. So yeah, it's tan and beige. Let's bring it in the light. When it's not in the light, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, it's tan. Nice. Doing this video differently. Recorded a video complaining about my phone camera and showing the part I meant in the disassembly process. Glad I didn't have to think about that for 10 minutes. Came out really well. Ew. So this was in their garage. I'd like to find a model number. I think it's a P-223. It's from the 80s, I think. The newer ones were kind of short. About like right there, maybe. I don't know, I don't have one. Got a crappy Lasco purple box fan I'm trying to sell. Got a lot of messages for that. Need to find more of those on the side of the road. Get rich. Just kidding, they're not even worth anything. Hell, I got this for $2. Had to break one of the slats, very unfortunately, to get the damn cord out. So that sucks. It's still in place though, so that's good. Anyway, the bearing situation. Make sure I'm at frame here. Ooh, not good. There's a oil port. A hole in the blade hub where you could put your zoom spout in. Zoom spout. So, okay, let's hope the camcorder doesn't fall. It has twice, but didn't get damaged. Cord is supposed to go through there. There's a hole right there. Dirty. Anyone who collects these old box fans, have you ever come across a Lakewood like this that was completely locked up? Well, not completely. Guess that's why they quit using it. I like these old fans, but mostly in the TVs, it's like the main thing. And when they were tired of them, they'd put it away. You know, because it's an investment, I guess. They didn't throw this out. They could have thrown it out. Could have been thrown up. Could have been thrown out many decades ago. Probably sitting in that garage for many years. Here's a look at the motor. Probably a McMillan motor. I like the one. Oh, there's a label. Let's swipe that off. That label is mint. P-223. Caution. Automatically operated device. Disconnect from power supply before servicing. Manufactured by Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company, Chicago, Illinois, 60612. S. Like a stupid snake. Anyway, that's the model info. I'd like to fully disassemble the motor. Done it with some crappy box fans before. Anyway, I have room for this because selling the purple Lasco box fan today. Hopefully, have a lot of people interested, which surprised me. It's because it's purple. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, that's where the Lakewood's going to be, behind here. Here's the Dayton branded one I have. Did 2 videos on that. I'd like to do another video on here, but in standard definition 4x3. Because I'm a dork. Not saying you're a dork if you want to do that. And oh yeah, someone subscribed after they saw one of these after they saw the video, one of the videos that I did on here. So here's a little message to them. I don't collect these fans, but if I find them on the side of the road, clean them up, run them for a while, and if they work good, I'll sell them for up to $10. Might do 5 if anyone asks. I only sell locally, so sorry, eh? Anyway, I'm going to take a break.